Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your Insta profile pic pop using Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose Custom Size from the options available. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your desired dimensions. Once set, select the project to continue working. In Elements, select the photo option from the sidebar. In the search bar, type Person to find images featuring people. Browse through the results and choose a photo that best fits your needs. Click on your chosen image to add it to your project. Click to sample this item in your list. Next, we will analyze this image to better understand its contents and features before proceeding with additional actions or edits. Next, use the Feature Remover tool to eliminate any unwanted features from your data before continuing the process. Click the Edit button to open the editing options. From the list of available effects, select Glow to add a glowing outline to your object. Click and drag the corner handles to adjust the size until the element fits your desired dimensions on the canvas. Click the Increase Amount button to boost the effect strength. Next, adjust the intensity slider to refine the result. If you prefer a softer appearance, switch to a lighter setting by selecting the appropriate option. Experiment with these controls to achieve your desired look. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your project. Set the size option to maximum. This ensures you get the highest quality download possible. Always choose the maximum size for the best clarity and detail in your exported file. Next, locate the item you want to remove. Hover over it to reveal the Options menu, then click the trash can icon to begin the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the details to ensure you are deleting the correct item. Click Delete to permanently remove it from your list and complete this action. Go to the Add panel and select the Frame tool. Click and drag to create a new frame on your canvas. Next, choose the Ellipse tool to draw a perfect circle inside the frame. Adjust the size as needed. Finally, select the Eraser tool and erase any parts you don't want visible. Add a glow effect, resize your image as needed, then click the Download button. Start by selecting a circular frame from the frame options. Drag and drop your photo into the circular frame to automatically crop it, creating a polished, rounded appearance. This simple adjustment enhances the overall look of your design. Next, click on the image inside the circular frame to select it. Locate the stroke or border option in the toolbar and enable it. Adjust the stroke thickness by increasing the slider or entering a higher value. This bold outline emphasizes your image and adds a modern, finished effect to your project. Place the item at the center of your design. Next, click the Share button at the top right. From the drop-down, select Download. In the file settings, check the transparent background option before saving your image to your computer. Select the transparent background option. Set the image size to the maximum for best quality. Then click Download to save your image with high resolution and a clear background. Now you know how to edit your Instagram profile picture with Canva. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tips.